Hello students, today I am here to discuss a very important topic from your writing section, and that is poster making. First of all, let me tell you what is a poster. A poster is a card or play card carrying some announcements, advertisement and some information. It is a means of communication with a compelling visual and powerful message. It includes both text and pictures. Let's know what can be purposes behind framing a poster. A poster can be made for any of the following purpose: to create social awareness among people, or to promote a product, or we can say to advertise a product, for a political party to give their propaganda, and to give out any kind of information, and the information can be about any event, any festival, an occasion or any general information. It is the easiest sort composition and we have little freedom to make it according to our own wish. But still there are some points which we should keep in mind to get good marks. So let's have a look on the key points. The design of a poster must be striking because a poster is designed to be put up at a public place, so it should be designed in such a way that it may catch the attention. It should be clearly signify its purpose and objective. A poster should not have any extra or irrelevant matter, so make it to the point and crisp. Do not exceed the word limit and the word limit is 50 words. So आपको बस important point ही mention करने हैं. Bold or underline important information because it is read by the public from a distance. You can use different fonts and size while writing it. While forming the sentence, you must keep in mind some points. The first is the tense which is used in making a poster, that is either present or future. So avoid using past tense. Do not use passive voice. Try to frame your sentence in active voice. Do not begin or end a sentence with a preposition and avoid using short forms or slangs. If we talk about the title, your title must be catchy, so you can use slogans, quotes and phrases to make it more attractive. Do not forget to mention the name of issuing authority or the sponsors. Draw simple diagrams and simple drawings. Generally students commit a mistake. They think that the poster making is all about drawing, but it is not so. ऐसा नहीं है. आपको बस simple diagram use करने हैं which can help you in conveying your message. Put it in a black box so that it can get more prominence. And last but not the least, make sure it fits within one page only. So these were the important points which you must keep in mind while making a poster. Now let's talk about the format. There is no such fixed pattern, कोई fixed pattern नहीं है, but there are some points which you must include in your poster. At first, you have to mention the title and the title must be catchy. Title catchy होना चाहिए, and to make it attractive, you can use any attractive font. टाइटल को आप किसी भी अट्रैक्टिव फॉन्ट में लिख सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट, इफ यू हैव एनी टैगलाइन, एनी स्लोगन और एनी कोट related to your topic, you can mention it there. Then you have to mention the details about the topic. If the poster is about any event, so you will mention the details like time, date, venue, contact number of concerned authority and other information. And if the poster is based on any social cause, so you have to mention the details related to it. But the point which you must keep in mind is that you have to use short sentences and you will mention the details in points. आप short sentence use करेंगी और points में details लिखेंगी. After it, you can add a visual diagram to it. It is not mandatory. कोई drawing बनाना mandatory नहीं है, but it gives an attractive look to your poster and it helps you in conveying your message. डायग्राम से आपका मेथड इजीली कन्वे होता है और पोस्टर और अट्रैक्टिव लगता है. सो यू शुड ऐड अ डायग्राम टू इट, एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी सिंबल इन योर माइंड रिलेटेड टू योर टॉपिक, तो आप उस सिंबल का डायग्राम बना सकते हैं. सो यू कैन ऐड इट देयर, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल मेंशन द नेम ऑफ द इशूइंग अथॉरिटी जिसने पोस्टर इशू करवाया है. इफ़ द पोस्टर इज बेस्ड in the public interest, you will write issued in the public interest by XYZ or by the name which has been mentioned in the question. And if it is a poster based on commercial event and you have sponsors, you will write sponsored by XYZ Private Limited or by the name which has been mentioned in the question. After it, you will close it into a box. It is very important, and by doing so, it will look more attractive. Its marking scheme has been divided into 3 parts: format, content and expression. You can get 1 mark for the format. Format includes title, the name of issuing authority plus layout, and you can get 2 marks for the content and 1 mark for the expression. In expression, your creativity and your grammatical accuracy will be counted. So in total, it is of 4 marks. Now understand it clearly with the help of some examples. The first question is, prepare a poster to motivate the people for eye donation in not more than 50 words. So here we have to prepare a poster on eye donation and we have to motivate the people. Now you can see this poster. At first we have used the tagline that donate eyes to bring light in someone's life, and we have written it in capital letters जिससे कि हाईलाइट हो जाए. तो इस तरह से आप कोई सा भी फॉन्ट यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपने टाइटल को कैची बनाने के लिए. देन वी हैव मेड वेरी इजी ड्राइंग. हमने यहाँ पे 2 आइज़ बना दी हैं, एंड अ पर्सन हु इज़ क्वाइट फार फ्रॉम दिस पोस्टर, ही कैन इजीली अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पोस्टर इज़ रिलेटेड टू आइज़. कोई इंसान अगर थोड़ा दूर से देखे तो उसे समझ में आ जाएगा क्योंकि पोस्टर आईज से रिलेटेड है. देन वी हैव मेंशन सम पॉइंट्स लाइक गिव अ न्यू विजन, अ न्यू रे ऑफ होप एंड हैप्पीनेस. हियर वी वांट टू से that by donating your eyes you can give happiness to someone, you can give them a new vision and a new ray of hope. तो इस तरह से आप कोई भी पॉइंट्स बना सकते हैं जो भी आपको समझ में आए उस टॉपिक से रिलेटेड. एंड देन at last we have mentioned the name of issuing agency. Here we have written issued by Sajal Eye Bank, Dehradun. That means this poster has been issued by Sajal Eye Bank. So it is a poster and it is very easy to frame. बहुत easy है frame करना. You have to use very simple drawings and you can use any phrase, any slogan, any quote related to your topic. And just take care of one point, that your poster must be attractive. Now see the next question. Prepare a poster to urge the public to avoid plastics. So here in this poster we have to request the public कि वो प्लास्टिक यूज़ ना करें. So what we have to do, हम लोगों को बताएंगे कि प्लास्टिक यूज़ नहीं करना है, क्यों नहीं करना है, रीज़न दे सकते हैं, और अगर प्लास्टिक यूज़ नहीं करना है तो क्या यूज़ करें ये बता सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ वी हैव एनी सिंबल इन आवर माइंड सो वी कैन यूज़ इट. सो हियर लुक एट दिस पोस्टर. एट फर्स्ट वी हैव रिटन से नो टू प्लास्टिक. ओके, सो फ्रॉम दिस लाइन इट इज़ क्लियर दैट वी आर रिक्वेस्टिंग फॉर नॉट यूजिंग द प्लास्टिक. एंड हमने जो फॉन्ट यूज़ किया है वो आप देख सकते हो, ये फॉन्ट जो है क्लियर विजिबल होगा दूर से भी. देन we have made some points. We have told that it pollutes environment, it is non-biodegradable and its burning causes air pollution. तो यहाँ हमने कुछ रीजंस दिए हैं कि प्लास्टिक यूज क्यों नहीं करना चाहिए. Then we have written use paper bags, cloth bags and jute bags. हमने यहाँ बता दिया कि प्लास्टिक यूज नहीं करना है तो क्या यूज करना है. Here you can see that we have written a line inside a box. ये हमें कब करना है? If you are not able to draw any symbol related to your topic, तो आप एक काम कर सकते हैं. You can write any catchy line in some attractive shape. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि क्या सिंबल बनाना है, वैसे तो आपको कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि कम से कम आप एक सिंबल अपने पोस्टर में बनाओ.
बट अगर नहीं हो पा रहा है सो आप कोई भी कैची लाइन एक किसी अट्रैक्टिव से शेप के अंदर लिख सकते हैं. सो इट विल गिव एन अट्रैक्टिव लुक टू योर पोस्टर. Then after it, at the end, we have mentioned the name of issuing agency, issued in public interest by National Green Tribunal, Delhi. So it is the poster. Now we can close it into a black box. The next question is, as an educationist, you have noticed that the present generation has lost the habit of reading. Design a poster in not more than 50 words highlighting the importance of reading and the value of books. So here we have to frame the poster on the importance of reading and the value of books. इसमें हमें क्या करना होगा, हमें इसमें रीडिंग से रिलेटेड और बुक्स रिलेटेड सिंबल्स यूज़ करने होंगे. उस रिलेटेड अगर कोई कोट और कोई स्लोगन हमें आता है तो वो हम यूज़ करेंगे और कुछ पॉइंट्स में हम अपनी बात कहेंगे. सो हियर लुक एट दिस पोस्टर. एट फर्स्ट we have used the slogan related to our topic, that is today a reader, tomorrow a leader. In this way you can use any quote, any slogan, any phrase. Then after it we have written reading helps, and the font which we have used here is easily visible from a quite distance. ये जो font है इसे दूर से देख के ही पता लग जाएगा कि जो पोस्टर है वो रीडिंग के बारे में है. Then we have made some points like strengthens the brain, reduces stress, increases knowledge, develops vocabulary. So here you can use short sentences. There is no need to write in long sentence, and you can make points also. Then after it we have made a simple drawing of a book, and you can use any symbol related to your topic. And then we have mentioned a quote, that is reading it food for mind and soul. इससे हमारा मैसेज जो है और क्लियरली लोगों तक जा रहा है. And at the end we have mentioned the issuing agency that issued in public interest by budding readers. So it was the poster. Now let's move towards the next poster. Draft a poster inviting people for a music fest organized by Global Music Club. It is an event poster. Let's see how we have to frame it. At first we have written Global Music Club invites you to join Music Fest 2020. So you can see we are using different fonts to make it attractive. इस तरह से आप भी attractive font use करेंगे. Then we have written some lines. Let music flow in your heart and enrich your soul. अपने पोस्टर को अट्रैक्टिव सा बनाने के लिए आप कोई भी स्लोगन, कोई भी फ्रेज यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड एज इट वॉज एन इवेंट पोस्टर वी हैव मेंशन द डिटेल ऑफ द इवेंट एज डेट, टाइम एंड वेन्यू. इवेंट पोस्टर में ये सारी डिटेल आपको मेंशन करनी है. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर डिटेल्स related to event you can add that also. And then we have made some drawings, and it is easily understandable that this poster is related to music. And then at the end we have mentioned the issuing authority. Obviously Global Music Club is organizing the fest, तो वही issuing authority होगी. So we have written issued by Global Music Club, Delhi. And we have closed it into a box. Now I think with the help of these posters you are able to frame a poster by yourself. So it's all about this topic. Stay happy, stay healthy and keep learning. Thank you.